Oh, guys, Mama's getting ready for Christmas. This is what she does.
Hey family, it's Ashley, Black Ash Everything. Welcome to day 2 of a Black Ash Christmas. Day 1 is amazing. We had 10 brands that I hope that you researched, put on your Christmas list for your family and friends, and even a little bit something for yourself. You know what I'm saying? I do it all the time. One gift for them, one gift for me. One gift for them, one gift for me. And there's nothing wrong with that, okay? So today's day 2, and I have another list of some of the 10 best brands out there that are for stocking stuffers or for under the tree. You can have the Black Ash Christmas that you always dreamed of, and it's gonna be great. So let's just get into this list. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all these channels and pages. And this list is gonna keep going for 25 days. 25 days is day 2. We got a lot more to go. All right, number 1, Bandages. Bandages is a great brand, probably one of the first brands I heard of. Bandages for people of color. We know back in the day, when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. Back in the day, we only had we only had one shade of Band-Aid, and it was not this shade. So we walking around ashy-kneed with not even being really ashy, just because our bandages are not our color. And I have the kitty versions of Bandages for my children, and they're not, some of them are brown, some of them are white, but you know, kids like colors. They want colors. But the great thing about Bandages is that they reflect Black children on those bandages. So now they're just not just kids. These are pilots, these are ballerinas, these are chefs, these are veterinarians, these are presidents. And so these kids can even look at their Band-Aids and see, hey, that kid's a president. I could be a president. You know, it's so empowering. And then for the adults, of course, your Band-Aids match your skin tone. So you're never out here looking ashy for no reason, right? So get you some Bandages. Put those would be great little stocking stuffers. People be like, I didn't know there were Black on Band-Aids. Now you know, Black Ash helped you out. Number 2 on this list. Now, you know, we like to see our brothers with a little swag on the wrist, you know, with something nice on the bezel, you know, so something nice. So I think you should check out Tally and Twine. Tally and Twine is an amazing product, an amazing watch. I actually got my father a watch for Christmas. It was so nice. It was the best watch I've ever gave him. I got it for Christmas 2 Christmases ago. Yep. It's a quality product. They give you all these nice little inside things, like it was like stickers and stuff to fix your watch. It was just a great product. Tally and Twine, amazing. Check it out. It's unisex watches for men and women. If a woman likes a bit of a bigger watch, check this product out. Check this brand out. Amazing. All right, next on the list is people of color. Number 3, people of color nail polish. I mean, the cutest colors, and literally, it just says people of color. Like, that's me. That's me. I'm a person of color. I would like to wear a polish for me. And it looks good on the skin, honey. People of color, I cannot wait to try you. Get these nails done. I would definitely take them to the girl who does my nails, who is Black, by the way, and say, can you put this on my toes? And then ask her to see, can you get all these colors? And you're sure? That's how it happens. You got to ask where you go to spend money. Can you get the products that I want so I can keep doing business with you? Our money is our power. I said it. Number 4, I do not have, but if the gods are smiling down on me right now, there will be one under my tree. It is Silver and Riley. Girl. All right. I have a lot of designer bags. I of course, if you follow me, I have Telfar, I have Brandon Blackwood, I have Site Store. But this one has to add to the collection. The pink bucket with the little, oh my God. When I get a new bag, I'll probably wear them for like 2 months straight with everything, because it's just going to be my new favorite bag. The Silver and Raleigh bags are Italian-made luxury bags. I know some of y'all want this Birkin, Shishi, Fufu, Louis, Gucci, but I threw all that stuff away. I gave it away. I don't carry those anymore. I don't. So, but Silver and Riley, if someone hears me and they love me so much, the pink fuchsia bucket, oh my God, girls, just go on there. They have so many different styles. You're just absolutely gonna love them. They definitely have some for men. Silver and Riley is hands down the most luxurious Italian leather bags. And this is not even on the list, but there are these boots by Tori Sedan that Zendaya wore on the cover of, I think it was Vogue or Cosmo. those can end up under my tree too. These stores, and Toy Sedan is not on the list, but Toy Sedan is kind of like if you have a thing for YSL, go to Toy Sedan. She wasn't on the list, but we were talking about luxury, but I just gave you a twofer. Number 5. This, if you want a black-owned version that is better and these colors are popping, they are now at Nordstrom. You can go to Nordstrom and get you a spring break watch. Spring break watches, beautiful neon colors. I probably will be getting one for my family member this year, so hush hush. But great watches, beautiful. You can get them in all different colors. I think I'm gonna cop like probably a pink one or a red one myself. So cute, so cute. These watches, once again, go to Nordstrom's. They have worked really hard to get into Nordstrom's, and hopefully we'll see every brand that I'm talking about on Now Street. I'm just gonna put it out there because God makes a way. Number 6 is for our golf lovers out there. Now, I actually have been reposting them in my stories since I found out about them, and they're called Blackballed. I'm gonna pause for effect. Yes, Blackballed. Blackballed is a clothing line for golfers, specifically for golfing. You know how you have to wear a certain attire when you go golfing? This line, or this brand of clothing, Blackballed golf attire, they have it for women and for men. You should see their videos. They be out there with their black ball attire with J's on golfing. It's sexy. It's so cute. I love it. And they have the collar shirts. And black ball is such a name that I just loved because, you know, bald as in the tennis ball, and then black ball as in meaning like, you know, black men were not allowed in the golf arena unless they were carrying their thing. And I think that wasn't even a stretch, carrying the golf bag. You know, was their caddy. That's the name. The caddy. So being blackballed from a sport that was strictly for white men back in the day, and now really expressing our urban, our culture with our style on the golf court. Girl and guys, if you have a person in your life who is a golfer, please pick them up a fit from Blackballed. Like, once again, everything is in the comment section below. Get them a fit from Blackballed. I mean, I don't even golf, but I want one outfit. I will just sit up here swinging, but girlfriend gonna look cute, okay? Number 7, for your active attire, Actively Black. I mean, this brand is unapologetic about how black they are. Actively Black is an amazing activewear line, fitness, sports, everything. It's all black. They have a couple of things. They have a cute red and blue set now. And I'm kind of getting my eye on the blue one. So you've probably seen some major players. I know Steve Harvey has had his Warner set, and Steph Curry. I want to say Dwayne Wade as well. So a lot of celebrities have already been on the wave of Actively Black, and they're doing amazing things in the field. Number 8, Socks of Africa. Now, you know, socks is usually one of those things that you could just stuff in a stocking, but you gotta make it black on, child. You gotta make it black on. Socks of Africa have amazing African print on their socks. You know how you like to see a man like pick up the pants a little bit, and they socks is just, you know, they're just doing something special. Socks of Africa, check them out. Number 9, special place in my heart for this next brand. Number 9, Minted Cosmetics, because the founders are alumni of the illustrious Howard University, and I myself am an alumni of Howard University, and I freaking love this brand. They are my foundation. I use the stick. I use the lip gloss, the Ashley Blaine Featherston collection. I got it. I put it on my face every single day. I do. And I absolutely love it. It's just, the colors are so rich and pigmented, and they really show up on dark skin or darker people of color skin. It's just amazing because there really were no nudes, because a lot of nudes made your lips look, you know, like you've been sucking on some flour. And you wanted to have a new lip and really feel like, I can have something new, real subtle, and it just be the best. But Minted Cosmetics, you can get them at Target. I'm so proud of them. And one of them is my profile of Alpha Cap Alpha, Sorority Incorporated. Yay. Number 10 on this list, for all the athletes out in the world where you felt like you had to have, you know, other brands that have been around for years. All my athletes, especially my football players, my basketball players, Power Hands. Power Hands. They have the gloves, they have the bands, they have everything that you need. They have the bag to keep your stinky stuff in. Power Hands. If you are starting your kid out in football come this fall and they're about to finish up and start basketball, you need to get all their equipment. Schools, high schools, pee-wee, everybody. Get your kids, your boys, some Power Hands, and let me know what you think. I haven't tried it yet. My son is 1, so he won't be doing football anytime soon, or basketball anytime soon. But I can't wait to see him just go the wrong way one day. It's gonna be so great. That was my number 2, day 2, number 2 list of the top 10 Black-owned brands for Black Ash Christmas, and I hope you subscribe. Come back for tomorrow's video. We're going to see 10 more brands. I hope you wrote everything down and put these on your list. Once again, I'm Ashley, Black Ash Everything, and I'll see you later. Peace.